still I'm working on the lower part of the leg. I feel like it's a bit more empty. I'm thinking of adding a little bit more to this piece. Okay, if you're wondering, from my last video, it's a bit more change. I haven't had anything. I just got my move brush and I scale this area. I move a little bit down. Let me to show it. It was like that. Then I got my move brush. I'll make it bigger. I just push this part down. That's all. Let's add the Q cube, or this area is kind of quite empty. Go to Subtool. This my Polymesh 3D. I'm going to duplicate that one. Duplicate. Then yeah, I'll go to the new duplication. I'm gonna hide the original. Here we go. Then I'm going to change this one to the Q cube. Initialize Q cube to get start. Here we go. Move these guys to the back. The Q cube. Somewhere over here. Then what I want to do, I want to merge this subtool with the lower part of the body. Let's go to the subtool. Okay, this is my lower part of the leg, and I want to merge these two together. I'm going to merge down, make sure your layers are on the right order, then merge down. Here we go. Then I'll make this first let me to align this one properly, to align with this line, mask, then inverse the mask. Here we go. Beautiful. Then what I'll do, I'm gonna make this one bigger. Similar to the size of this cube. Similar to the size of the lower part of the leg. Then again, what I'll do, I'm gonna push this guy down. I increase the mask. Oh, undo. I mask this area too. Push this down. Then clear the mask. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to apply the same number of edge loop as the front bit got. Go to the edge loop function, insert, press X to activate the symmetry. Here we go. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this face, this one, in a inside of this cube. Delete. I'm going to do the flat island. Here we go. Just activate the double side, display properties, and double. Then I'm going to delete this area. do my selection carefully by holding down the Alt key, then delete single poly, click. Then I'm going to merge these two pieces together. Good tool that I can use is the bridge tool. Go to the edge function and hold down the shift key and bridge. You leave the settings as it is, 2 hole, target is 2 hole, then rest of that spin, and leave them as a default setting. Select the one edge in this open area, then select the second one from the other side. Here we go. Then you'll be able to see the connection. Then what I'll do, I'm going to delete some of the edge loop I don't need. Go to the edge loop function, hold down Alt key. Okay, have a look. Insert, then hold down the Alt key. I no longer this edge. Probably keep it simple. Then what I'll do, I'm going to move these vertex down. Something like that. Here we go. Probably I'll delete this edge loop. I can apply that one later. Okay, let's go back and have a look. Here we go. Then I'm going to create the opening. I'm going to create the connector for this area to for the fingers. First I'll move this car a little bit up, move this one up, just try to find the room, then split. Here we go. Then I'm gonna Q mesh, poly island. Here we go. Okay, they're connecting nicely. If you want to, you can push these guys a little bit back. Can do the same thing to the other subtool. Here we go. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to create the connection, small mechanical part which connect this to this. Here we go. What I'll do, I'm going to make a room for this area. I'm going to get my move brush BMV with my symmetry active. Okay, and I'm going to hole in here, make a hole in that area. Therefore I'll try to push that guy and make a hole and make a connection here to here. let's see. Okay, then again I'll go back to my X modular, Z modular, then going to make a hole in here, split. Oh, my symmetry is not working, therefore I'm turn off the symmetry. Here we go. Then again I'm going to push this guy down, Q mesh, polygroup island. Let's get this guy down. Then I'm going to mask. Then inverse, then transpose. I'm going to rotate. Push it a bit further. Then I have to move this area BMV because this is bit bigger and this area a bit smaller. What I can do, I can scale this one rather than move in, or I can use the move tool too. Not really a big issue. Here we go. I activate my symmetry again. Here we go. Press D key and have a look at what you're receiving. It's looking good. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to create another area, another hole somewhere here. Before that, I got to do the same thing. What I'll do, I create the mask in here. Probably create the mask in here too. Then I can move these vertices, or I can probably slide it. B is M with the Z modular, then slide. I'm gonna slide these edges. Oh, turn off the symmetry. It's not working. I'm gonna slide the edge function. Oh. That's right. I'm going to make a hole in here. Here we go. In this hole, I'm going to create a little bit smaller hole. Then I'm going to Q mesh and polygroup island. Raise this guy a little bit up. Then what I'll do, I'm going to delete all the edges in here. I'm going to delete polygroup island. Here we go. And I'll do the same thing to here, polygroup island. Then I'm going to bridge these two edges. Let's activate the bridge tool on the edge function. First move your mouse onto the edge, bridge, two holes. I select the first edge, then you got to select the second edge. I also want to show you another trick. Select the second edge, then hold down your mouse. You can add the resolution if you go to the sideways while you holding down your mouse. Okay, you can add more resolution. I don't need that much. I'll undo. Let's do it again. Yeah, here we go. Now it's looking good. I don't like this one. It's a bit bendy. You can use the move tool, PMV. With the move tool you can fix it up. Probably what I'll do, I'm going to delete this edge. Go to the edge function, insert, and hold down the Alt key, delete. And delete this edge too. What I'll do, I'm going to add new edge. Then I'm going to move this guy up. Move the vertices. I'm going to move. Oh, I can slide. I try to get the straight line. Let's activate the symmetry. My symmetry is not working. I'm going to turn it off. Here we go. It's looking good. Then what I'll do, I'm going to delete this edge loop here too. Hold down the Alt key and delete it. I'm going to add another edge loop, and I'm going to add another one closer to here. I'm going to add another one, and I'm going to scale this guy down. Scale. Edge loop complete. I'm going to scale this one down. Probably I'm going to scale this one down too. Then I'm going to add another edge loop. Oh. Insert. Add a few more. Then scale. Gonna scale this guy down. Here we go. One more edge loop over here. I'm going to scale a little bit up this one to create that nice bevel, and add another edge. Then I'm going to polygroup this one. This loop I'm going to create the one single polygroup, polyloop, and click. Okay, you get this single poly loop in here. Then I can Q mesh that loop. So then you Q mesh poly loop. Here we go. Then press W and have a look what you get in. Shift F. Yeah, look like I need to add the crease line over here. I haven't shown you how guys can do the creasing. This is a good place to do the creasing. Go to the edge loop function and find the crease, edge loop complete. Let's add the creasing over here. Then I'm going to create another edge loop. Then have a look, press D, press F. Yeah, it's looking great, guys. One more thing I would love to do, hold down the shift key, make a brush bit bigger, and activate the symmetry. Click in here, then you will able to get the nice insert point like that, nice bevel. And let's have a look this area. And hold down the Alt key. I'll do one more thing. Hold down the Alt key, make sure you have a edge loop over here. I like to merge this area together. What I can do, make the selection while holding down the Alt key, then Q mesh single poly, deactivate the symmetry if it's not happening. Okay, I merge those polygon together. Then again I like to add another edge loop somewhere over here and somewhere over here, and press D, press F. Okay, this is what I'm getting. I really like this piece. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video from here now.